Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful freelance writer layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the Freelance Writer Layout Pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really modern and minimal, and it has this touch of color to it that looks really nice. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Freelance Writer Layout Pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. So these are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself without actually having to install them on your own website. So say for instance you really enjoyed this landing page and you want to get started with it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now over here you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Freelance Writer Layout Pack. Select your item of choice and click on the green button that says Use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and from that point on you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in design and efficiency features to create changes throughout your entire page design in just a few clicks. So say for instance you want to change the font of the heading over here, and you want to change it throughout your entire page. You can go to the heading text settings, and over here we can see the font that's being used. Go ahead and right click, click on find and replace, and you can find this font within this page and replace it with another font of your choice. And make sure that you tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type, not limited to heading font, to make sure that all of the modules and all of the text is covered. And click on replace. So as you can notice, this has been changed throughout the entire page design, and you can basically do that for each and every design option that you have and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.